Hey guys, it's me, Darkalo561, and this is a video on the top 8 Nerf guns that I have and that I like. There'll also be an update at the end, by the way. First up is number 8, which is the Night Finder, Nerf Night Finder. The reason why it is making that rattling sound in here is because I dropped it one day and the spring had popped out, and when I modded it to try to fix it, when I dropped it, it wouldn't shoot very far anymore. It'd only shoot like 5 feet. So I had to mod it. Now it shoots about 10 feet or so. I don't know. I mean, it's kind of good if you have like the laser light. If you're up close, if it's modded, then about 10 feet away, it's good. It holds 2 extra darts. Yeah, so that's number 8. Number 7 would be the Night Strike, or I can't remember what it's called. Dart Tag Blaster. I mean, like, it has 5 extra darts down here, and then another one. Not really a fast reload time because you have to go. I mean, if it was like the Maverick, which I don't have with me right now, then it'd just. I mean, that'd be awesome. So, range about at least 20 feet. Yeah. It may, if your pocket is big enough, sometimes it doesn't fit in pockets, but it may, it can fit in your pocket, so. Number, what was that, number 7, so, number, Number 6 is the Recon CS6. It's really, really good. Like this is a new one. One of the new ones. I mean, they used to have like an older one. The inside was kind of different, like how everything was placed and stuff. So, you can 6 darts in a clip, and it's pretty fast. So yeah. So that's basically why it's number 6. It can also hold another extra dart down at the bottom, and so can the Raider, which I'll show you in a bit. Now, number 5 is the Rapid Fire Dart Tag Blaster. Pretty good. Holds 10 darts, unlike the Maverick revolver. Basically, if it really isn't that difficult for you to pump, then it really shouldn't be that difficult. I mean, you could like go like this. Or you can go like this. Or some people go like this. Like, see my hands, they're not really coordinated to do that right now, so I have to get used to it. So yeah, that's why that's number 5. Distance range, shooting range is pretty decent. About at least 20 feet, pretty decent here. That was, that's 5. Number 4 Titan, which, hold on here, I have the, I have a Hornet attached to it, so let me hurry up and get this off real quick. It's pretty hard to get off if you're really not used to getting it off. Now, anyway, I'll just, if I can't get it off here in a second, then I'll just, okay, never mind, I got it off. Anyway, Titan, pretty good range, about 40 to 50 feet, fuel gauge. Even though when it gets to the top, that doesn't mean it'll actually deploy all the way. Gotta pump it about 30 times to get the full 50 feet. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty decent. Yeah, see, the fuel gauge was just at the end, and if you just do that, then it won't go all the way. Oh yeah, and I bought the Titan, the Hornet, the Dart Tag Rapid Fire, and the Dart Tag Night Strike thing, and the Vulcan off of Black Hawk Pictures 13, so, yeah. Okay, next up is the Raider. One good thing is that it can hold an extra dart down here, like I said, with the, Recon. It has a back stock, it's adjustable. So yeah, and if you hold down the trigger, it can go into rapid fire mode. So yeah, that's the reason why it is number 3. Number 2 is my personal favorite, the Hornet. You want to keep on pumping it until you hear this sound right there. If you do have, if you just do that until it's completely out, or you can just push these in and all the darts will fly out. All the air that you have in there will just come out and all the darts will come out. So yeah, that's pretty useful. But it's actually kind of tough to reload. You have to pump it. So yeah, it's kind of difficult. Number 1 is the Vulcan. You can either do single shot. This is kind of hard for me. Okay. Or you can do rapid fire, which it comes with an ammo box and it comes with a belt clip. So yeah, that's pretty cool. The range is about 30 feet, 25 to 30 feet. So that's why it's number 1. So here's the update part of this. New Nerf 4, Nerf 4 is the Betrayed, and Nerf 4 is Battle for the Crystal Emerald won't be on, I'm sorry, but yeah, so, yeah, so, peace.